The signs themselves are made with the best materials available, laminated heavy-duty aluminum printed with top-of-the-line 3M inks. To assemble the stake, just put the two pieces together, and a quick tap from a tool like a hammer or mallet snaps them together in a second. To attach the sign to the stake, just line it up with the pre-drilled holes. Then fasten the two screws and bolts with your fingers. To install a Lawn Boss sign, just push the tapered pointy end into the ground. If the ground is harder, you might need that hammer or mallet again. Notice the flanged anti-twist tabs at the bottom of the post. These give extra support and keep the sign from twisting in the wind. The laminated signs and the coated enamel posts are built to stand up to weather, direct sunlight, and real-life use for up to 10 years. And some designs feature 3M reflective films, which greatly increase visibility at night. Lawn Boss signs are the best option on the market. A lot of competitor signs are too small, a tripping hazard. Others are made with flimsy materials that can scratch or fade quickly, or just snap. A Lawn Boss sign lets you post your message almost anywhere in seconds.